How to unlink EA account from PSN. Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you how you can unlink your EA account from PSN. What is PSN? PSN means PlayStation Network. Alright, if you've linked your PSN to your EA account and then you're wondering how you can unlink them today, just watch this video till the end. The first step is to log in into your EA account. Alright, where you can see your home page, etc. Then once you can see this, move to the top left corner of the screen where you can see three horizontal dashes. Once you see this, click on it and then you click on settings. Once you click on settings, you take it to the settings option. Under it you'll be automatically logged into the my account settings. All right, so once you're under this my account settings, just scroll down till you can see the privacy option. All right, so once you see this, click on manage, and then once you click on manage, you'll be redirected to your page, at the settings page on Chrome. All right, and then once you're on this page, the next step is to move to the left side of the screen where you can see different settings. Okay, then once you can see this, scroll down so you can see connection, then you click on connection. After clicking on connection, you will take it to the connections page. On this page, the first account you would see is PlayStation Network. Now once you can see this, if you've linked your PlayStation Network account to EA account already, instead of link there, you will see the option on link. Alright, so just go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, a disclaimer would be displayed at the middle of the screen. Once you see this disclaimer, read through it and understand it properly. Now, once you understand it properly, if you understand, click on understand and then click on link, and then just like that, that account would be linked. The reason you need to read that disclaimer is so that you can know the risks or the disadvantages of unlinking your PSN account from EA. So if you're sure you still want to go ahead with it, then click on unlink, and just like that, both accounts would be unlinked. So this is how you can unlink your EA account from your um PSN account. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.